Hey guys, this video we discuss about comparison operators. In a previous video, we discussed about arithmetic operator and assignment operator. We discussed about comparison operator. It's about what is comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or variables. See here, uh, here we have some comparison operators equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to. These operators are mainly used in if conditions if and if else conditions for loops, and everywhere these group operators are useful. I'll show you some examples. These operators always returns Boolean values, either true or false. Print 10 equal to 5. Let's see what you get output. We'll delete the previous output. Let's see the see false. 10 equal to 5. No, right? So just I'll keep here 10. See, it's true. 10 equal to 2. Yes, it's true. So it is C. It always, these comparison operators always returns Boolean values. Only two are there, either true or false. Next, let's see. Print 10 not equal to 5. Yes, it is 10 is not equal to 5. Let's check print 10 greater than 5. Print 5 less than equals to 10. Yes. Print 5 greater than equals to 10. Print 10 less than or equals to 5. So just you have to understand it's an area of operator careful. Where you have to use this not equals to. See, it is simple. And this is not is equals to greater than. And I'll show you less than how to use it. 10 less than 5. See, not equals to greater than less than equals to greater than equals to less than equals to. Understand it? It's logic. Let's see the output. What we get here. Sorry. And delete the previous output. And understand now carefully. See, 10 equals to true. 10 not equals to 5. True. 10 greater than 5. Yes, true. Next, 10 less than 5. Obviously, no. False. 5 less than equals to 10. Obviously, true. Correct. 5 greater than equals to 10. See, false. 10 less than equals to 5. False. Think you understood this comparison operators. This mainly these operators are used in if conditions, loops, and elif conditions. There are many where you can use these all loop operators. Okay. So like this video, please subscribe. Please share to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.